Today in our daily How to Solve TEAC, we have a special guest that has brought a video demonstrating his process of solving TEAC 11242C06B, where we investigate and demonstrate the movement of heat through solids, liquids, and gases by convection, conduction, and radiation. So tell us, LeBron, did you make the video all by yourself?
I sure did, man. Hope y'all enjoyed.
Container P and container Q each were filled with 0.5 liter of water. The water was heated to 90 degrees Celsius. The table shows the temperature after both containers were allowed to cool for 3 minutes. Compared to container Q, container P is better than A, conductor, B, absorber, C, radiator, D, insulator.
The first step to solve a problem is to find out what exactly the question is asking. We need to determine which of the given transfers container P is better at than container Q.
Now, what valuable information do we already know from the problem? We know that after water was heated and cooled, the water in container P was 83 degrees Celsius, while the water in container Q was 76 degrees Celsius.
Now, what do we know from our knowledge? We know that conduction is a transfer of thermal energy by the direct contact of particles of matter, like a solid. Absorption is the action of absorbing energy from another factor outside of the container. Radiation is the flow of energy through space and matter. Insulation is the resistance to let energy flow, a metal that is not a good conductor.
The correct answer is insulation because container P managed to remain closer to the original temperature. That means that container P was more successful in not letting energy flow away from it.
Remember, avoid distractors such as choosing the term that you know what it means. Many times people believe that the correct answer choice is a term that they remember best the significance of. Well, that was our daily resolve question. Now to our everyday solve it yourself.
Hi there, I'm three-time NTBA All-Star LeBron Jordan. I'm trying to figure out which of these four substances are unable to transfer heat by convection on my Jordan convectors. I have four substances: chlorine, water, air, aluminum. To try convection. Convection is when hot air rises upward due to decrease in density and then expanding, giving off heat. This is my shoe. Now let me demonstrate. Notice as I pour water and chlorine, the lights heat, the liquids are evaporating and the shoe is losing density, aka convection. So we can cross chlorine and water out, and now we have left air and aluminum. The definition for convection states when hot air rises, therefore we can forget about air. Now all we have left is aluminum. Notice when I put foil on the shoe, nothing happens. This is because aluminum is not liquid nor gas, so we cannot transfer by heat or convection. So now we have our answer. Make sure you understand what the question is asking so that you don't choose the incorrect answer. Make sure you know the definition for convection and don't get it mixed up with conduction. Now remember, what is convection? When hot air and liquid rises less than a second. Now you know, so you can stop guessing. It's not conduction because you can feel it when you touch it. Feel the hot and coldness of a cup and start jumping. So don't pick any answer and miss like a batter. Don't forget radiation is for energy and space do matter. Oh, stop.
In a class experiment in 1843, James Joule showed the energy equivalent of heating and doing work by using the change in potential energy. Although German physicist Julius Robert von Mayer had made the same discovery independent of Joule's a few years earlier, it was Joule who received the credit.